Today I bring you the story of a young man whose life began with challenges, but whose determination turned those challenges into strength. In a large family and in a competitive world, he learned early that difference is not a setback, but a calling. Meet Arlen.
You could be a Lego man. You could be Mr. Krabs. You could do whatever you gotta do. You gotta hear this stuff and use it to your advantage.
Arlen was born with a condition that would shape his childhood and ultimately his purpose.
You can make the most out of your situation, no matter what. You can control the environment around you. It went from kids making fun of me and thinking like that I was a freak or an alien, or you hear all sorts of things. But you can really embrace what you have.
Arlen learned that his mindset can change a room and even a life.
Whether you're missing an arm, a leg, a foot, it doesn't matter. I know people with all sorts of missing limbs who are very good at their sports. I know collegiate level football players with no legs. It goes full circle with missing limbs and inspiring other people.
For Arlen, embracing differences goes far beyond athletics.
I enjoy and embrace being different, not just with a missing limb, but also with being good at athletics, with wearing clothes that I like.
To him, fairness isn't softness, it's preparation.
They didn't treat me differently because I'm missing a limb. In the real world, your mom's not gonna be there. You're gonna have to face all the things that every other person faces, and people aren't gonna go easy on you. That's what's like gonna be in the real world. You'll be going against people with two hands, not one, and they're gonna try to win.
That mentally pushed him through 4 years of varsity basketball and into unforgettable championship moments.
We were just out there having fun. We learned how to play basketball the right way, proper coaching. We didn't let anything get in our way. You can't take away the state chip.
Day to day, Arlen pushes himself with one simple idea: just get better.
That's a big thing for motivation. You think about the kids and the families and the community and the people that would be proud of you for where you're going, people that would support you, people that, like, if they knew when you had stuff going on, they'd try to be there. To be able to motivate yourself to get out of bed, to go do this workout. And staying consistent is a big thing.
From a childhood challenge to championship wins, from being teased to becoming a mentor, Arlen's journey is a reminder that difference doesn't define us. What we do with it does.
I'm AJ Wright, reporting for SUNY Cobleskill News.